wish that the electricity would turn back on. I'm so miserable. I know I'm not the only one that's miserable. By the way, you look really cute in that hat. You're welcome. I don't know. They said it should be a few hours before the electricity comes back on. They said they keep moving. The more that you move, the warmer you get. Yeah, I'm sick of moving too. A game? What kind of game? A question game. I like question games. Alright. You ask the questions and I will answer them. Alright. Wintry cover that's my favorite. I got it. A Christmas Carol and Other Stories. What do you mean you don't like it? It's a wintry cover. Okay, yeah, it's kind of Christmassy and you didn't say Christmassy. You don't have to banter. Yes, fine. It is Christmassy. It's beyond the point. What's the next question? What winter, technology, magic, and what was the other thing? Superpower would you most want in a snowstorm? Oh. Superpower I'd want in a snowstorm. I got it. I'd want Katz's Grace from the Graceling because she has the power of survival and she survived a snowstorm, and because it's the power of survival, she's not limited to just the winter times because, you know, you gotta be able to survive anytime. So survival sounds really good. I don't care! It's close to being a superpower. No, it's not magic or technology. Okay, look. Being a Graceling means that you do have a power, a special ability that you were born with. I think that's pretty close to... No, it's not cheating. What's the next question? What character would I like to cuddle up with to keep warm? No, not you. Not with how you're acting. You're insane. Besides, you're kind of cold-blooded, so that defeats the purpose. To keep warm, all I'd be doing is benefiting you. I know. I would totally want to cuddle up with Aslan from Chronicles of Narnia. Yes, he's a lion. But he's a big, giant, fluffy, sweet lion with really warm fur. What do you mean you thought I was going to pick a guy? I am not that way. I cannot believe what you were insinuating. I'm insulted. You know, I'm starting to think I shouldn't even be speaking to you. You are rude. What fictional group would I want on my team for a snowball fight? No, I'm not picking you. Stop saying that. You know, the more that you say it, the more I'm just like, no. Yes, you can throw it really well. No, I want someone who can really help me out. I got it. I am going to go with Gray and Natsu from Fairy Tale. And then I'm going to also pick Eve and Leon from Fairy Tale. You're from a comic book. What's the difference between a comic book and a manga other than the fact that... Okay, there is some differences. But I'm saying, okay, you can't make a big deal about a manga and you're from a comic book and then think that I should choose from a regular book because I didn't pick you. That is selfish. I can pick Fairy Tale if I want. So, Gray, Natsu, Leon, and Eve. Eve is a guy. I know it's a girl's name! But you gotta understand, he's super cool. He's a snow wizard, so he can create the snowballs. And then Gray and Leon are ice wizards, so they can put ice inside the snow. And then Natsu, he is a fire wizard. So while everybody's chucking snow at my team, he can melt the snow. And while they are trying to run away, we have snowballs full of ice. And they're being automatically made by Eve. What do you mean, what am I doing? I would be totally hiding behind a wall, making sure that nobody comes after me. I'm the team captain, right? What do you mean is that was a team captain? I'm the team captain. You're not even on the team. I don't even, That's my answer. Natsu, Gray, Leon, and Eve. I'm just gonna deal with it. What character would I want to smack in the face with a snowball? No, I wasn't gonna say you. Of course not. That would be rude. No. I have other ideas. Smack in the face with a snowball. I'm gonna go with Kale from the Queen of Shadows. Yeah, he had some jerkitude. Yes. See, I told you I wasn't thinking about you. Right? What do you mean my grin's suspicious? It's not suspicious, I'm always this happy. Yep, always. A book that reminds me of vacation. A book that reminds me of vacation. Making it difficult. Why do you make it so difficult? The last song? It's at the beach. Yeah. I mean, beach. I know it has a sad ending, but I can't think of anything else. Don't make a big deal about it. I don't read very many sappy stuff that are happy. Shush. Okay, what's the next question? What book has a warm getaway that you wish you could escape to? Snap, I just used my only warm getaway. You know, that wouldn't count because that book is done in North Carolina. I live in North Carolina. We live in North Carolina. We wouldn't count anyways. So now I have to think of something else. Bring out the oldies. How about Christy Miller? That happens in California. And beaches. Again. I don't know why I didn't think of beaches. Yeah, I know. I think of vacation. I think of beaches too. Well, I'm glad you agree with me. This is the first time you've actually agreed with me, you know? Yeah, I know. I'm sorry for all the stuff I was saying too. Wait a second. You started it all. Fine. Whatever. Power goes out. What books do I have on my nightstand? Oh, in case the power goes out and I don't have anything else to do. Well, the power's already out. Oh, you're being rhetorical. Okay. Got it. I'm not going to hold it up. Too much stuff. I'm going to choose Percy Jackson, Heroes of Olympus, Magnus Chase, Kane Chronicles, and the Greek Heroes and Greek Gods. Yeah, it's more than one, but it's all written by the same person and they're all related to the same thing. It counts. No, it's not cheating. No, it's not cheating. It's the same author. I give up. I'm done. That's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching my skit here. I hope you guys enjoyed the fun little thing we had going on here. This tag was created by RJ from The Secret Stacks. I was tagged by Allie from Alibaba D Books. And I'm going to be tagging Amy from Bookish Amy, Allie from Hardback Hoarder, Sarah from Mickey Between the Pages, Mary from Optimistic Chick, Jenny from Bookish Bedside, and I'm also going to be tagging Becca from Becca's Bookshelf, and Becca from Becca Landon. And this has been Laura from The Magic of White Pages. Peace out, y'all!